What's up, guys? Today I will be reviewing the Cmstorm Rapid Fire keyboard with Cherry MX Blue switches in it. This keyboard comes in at about $70. First, the physical overview. The keyboard has an all matte black finish that doesn't attract as many fingerprints as other keyboards like the Razer Black Widow, but dust is still very noticeable on the keyboard. As I said earlier, the keyboard has Cherry MX Blues, which are authentic by the way. The keyboard has no flex, which is great. Also on the bottom of the keyboard, there is a raceway to route your cable coming from the keyboard. The keyboard's caps lock, windows lock, and screen lock all have little red indicator lights. And on a side note, the Windows lock key can be activated by hitting F9 and the function key at the same time. The keyboard also features media keys like pause, play, skip, forward, and backward, as well as a mute and volume changers. Keycaps have the letter textured so that you can feel them when you type, which is nice. Now on to what comes in the box. You get a mini USB 2.0 braided cable along with a USB to PS2 plug, which is kind of weird but useful I guess. Also in the box is a couple of Cooler Master keys and red arrow keys that are meant for the WASD keys. A very nice inclusion is a keycap puller for when you want to clean the keyboard or to switch out the keycaps. Finally, the most important part. How does it feel typing? And well, for lack of other words, it feels great. The blue switches inside are clicky and tactile, and my keystrokes are always registered, but that was expected. Also, I do recommend some kind of wrist rest for this keyboard because the keyboard starts about 3/4 of an inch above the desk, or whatever you're using. I will leave a link for some wrist rest options in the description below. Well, that just about wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and have a good